All right, today we're gonna bring a Cat 6, 100 feet, and of course they give you the zip ties too. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna set up our outdoor camera, and it is sitting almost over 100, almost like close to 55 feet. So this is enough slack for us to actually set up our cameras outdoors and test them out. So we're gonna go ahead and set this up and see how it looks. So I set up a PoE camera on the back, power over Ethernet. This is the cable. We're sitting about 50 feet away from it, so I'm going to show you how it runs. It runs through this whole thing. My whole tent. It goes all the way up, it goes to the top, and then we're going inside the bedroom, and that's where the connection it connects. So we're going to show you how long it is, and it is connected. If you guys can see, here's the actual cable right here. It's long, so camera's all the way over there, captures the whole entire area on that side. I like it. We're gonna go ahead and stretch the cable out, and that's what the cable is good for. You could use the cable for a lot more than just the camera. You could set this up for a longer distance. If you have additional rooms and you don't have good connection, internet connection, wireless, you can always run the cable, and that's what I did. Wireless wasn't working very well. Better quality. It's a 4K camera, so it has to capture high quality, fast rate, and I don't want to lose the connection, so I want to keep it as high as I can to capture. And this is a great cable for it, and a long cable to give you. Because I have a high definition camera, I need a PoE switch plus. So we're going to connect it, and if you can see, it's going to start connecting. We're going to test out the connectivity speeds on it too. But look at this. All right, so I got the actual cable connected, and if you guys can see, the quality is really good. Connectivity is fabulous. I'm able to control the camera fast. I don't have to worry about any kind of lags or anything like that. I like the actual cable, having the cable. It works very fine. I'm not going to show you the bottom where I am at, but I just want to show you how fast the category 6 cable works with PoE cameras or devices. I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.